Today, we'll be experimenting with soda and milk chemistry. For this, you'll need a few ingredients and materials: a towel or paper towel, soda products such as Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Diet Pepsi, or Diet Coke. Any of these can work. And finally, whole milk. To begin, take the soda of your choice and open it, leaving it briefly on the table by itself, so that the bubbles will begin to die down. The longer you leave it, the easier it will be to pour in the milk without spilling over. After this, open up your milk. If you have a funnel or small container that makes it easier to pour, I recommend pouring it into that. However, if this isn't available to you, you can pour it right on into the pop. Just be aware that it's probably going to spill over with bubbles. Be very careful while pouring. You should pour in just enough milk for there to be only a slight space at the very top of the bottle. Don't worry if it spills over a bit and makes a mess. Just be sure to have your towel nearby so you can clean it right on up. After you've cleaned up the sides of your bottle and have enough milk just leaving a bit of space at the top, it's time to put the cap back on. Make sure to screw the cap on very tightly. After this, just leave it sit. The longer you leave it sit, the better the results will be. If you want to try this experiment with multiple types of soda like we did, just repeat. At this point, you'll begin to see the reaction occur, with the soda beginning to turn more translucent. About the first 3/4 of the bottle will begin to turn clearer, while the bottom stays a brown tinted color. This is all because of a chemical reaction occurring between the phosphoric acid in the soda and the milk. The soda curdles the milk into small blobs that fall to the very bottom of the bottle, taking the brown coloring with it. As you can see in the time lapse, the longer you keep the cap on, the better the results will be and the closer to clear they will get. Here you can see what happens when oxygen reacts with the substance that was created in the bottle. That substance is referred to as tricalcium phosphate. It's recommended to leave the caps on as long as possible to see better results, but we wanted to show you what would happen if you took them off. Thank you so much for joining us. While you're here, check out EPSCoR's website for more activities that you can do under the Education tab, or our Nature Sunday Academy page. When you do this activity, feel free to take pictures or videos and tag us at EPSCoR. Tell us all about your fun with STEM at home. Thanks for watching.